What if you could talk to your database like a human instead of writing long, complicated SQL queries? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Ask Your Database to chat with databases and analyze data with AI in 2026 in the simplest way possible. Ask Your Database is an AI-powered database assistant that connects directly to your SQL or cloud databases and lets you ask questions in plain English instead of writing code. It's designed for data analysts, business teams, developers, and even non-technical users like managers who just want fast answers from their data without waiting for technical reports. To get started, you first connect your database by choosing your system, such as MySQL, Postgres, SQL Server, or BigQuery, and securely linking your credentials so the platform can access your data structure. Once connected, the AI automatically reads your schema and understands your tables, relationships, and columns, which is what allows it to generate accurate SQL queries in the background. After setup, you can simply type a question like, "What were total sales last month?" or "Which product categories are growing fastest?" and Ask Your Database will instantly convert that into SQL, run it on your database, and show you the results in seconds. One of the most powerful features is that it doesn't just return raw numbers, it can also generate visual charts and dashboards, so you can understand patterns and trends much faster without needing a separate BI tool. Another useful feature is conversational analysis, meaning you can ask follow-up questions like you were having a real conversation, refine your query step by step, and explore your data without restarting every time. Based on user feedback from review platforms and real-world discussions, many people praise Ask Your Database for saving a huge amount of time, especially in companies where non-technical staff need quick access to data insights. Users often highlight how easy it is to set up and how it reduces the pressure on data teams by letting business users answer their own questions instantly. However, there are some limitations mentioned in reviews. Some users say that while it works extremely well for simple and medium-level queries, very advanced analytical tasks can still require manual SQL adjustments. Others point out that some powerful features are locked behind paid plans, and that beginners may need a short learning period to understand how to structure good questions. And like with any AI tool working with databases, users are advised to always double-check important queries before using them in production environments. My honest opinion is that Ask Your Database is one of the most practical AI tools for data analysis in 2026 because it removes the biggest barrier in working with databases, which is writing SQL, and replaces it with simple conversation. It will not replace data engineers or full BI systems, but it is incredibly powerful for speeding up everyday analysis and decision-making. If you work with data in any way, this tool is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which AI data tool you want me to cover next.